Hello viewers, welcome back on my channel. Transforming your garden into an oasis of tranquility and beauty is a goal of many homeowners. From lush greenery to carefully curated landscaping, every detail matters in creating a space that invites relaxation and enjoyment. One often overlooked aspect of garden decor is the incorporation of CNC, computer numerical control sheet home decor. These intricately incorporation of CNC designed metal sheets can add a touch of elegance, modernity and functionality to your outdoor space, elevating its aesthetic appeal while also serving a practical purpose. CNC machining technology allows for the precise cutting and shaping of various materials, including metal sheets. This precision enables the creation of intricate designs and patterns that can breathe life into your garden decor. Whether you prefer geometric motifs, floral patterns, or abstract designs, CNC Sheets Home Decor offers a wide range of options to suit your taste and complement your garden's theme. Incorporating CNC sheet panel for or screens into your garden designs can serve a multiple purpose. Beyond their decorative value, these panels can provide a privacy by creating visual barriers between different areas of your outdoor space or shielding your garden from prying eyes. By strategically placing CNC sheet screens, you can define specific zones within your garden while maintaining an open and inviting atmosphere. CNC sheets home decor isn't just about aesthetic, it can also serve functional purpose in your garden. Consider using CNC cut metal sheets to create decorative trellises or combining plants or stylish pergolas that provide shades and shelters. These multi-purpose garden features not only add visual interest but also contribute to the overall functionality and enjoyment of your outdoor space. One of the key advantages of CNC sheets home decor for garden is its durability and weather resistance. Constructed from sturdy materials such as aluminium or stainless steel, these metal sheets are built to withstand the elements including rain, wind, and sunlight. Unlike traditional wooden or plastic garden decor, CNC sheet home decor maintain its integrity over time, requiring minimal maintenance and offering long-lasting beauty for your outdoor sanctuary. Another benefit of CNC machining technology is its ability to accommodate customization, whether you have a specific design in mind or want to personalize your garden decor with your initial favorite chords or motifs that hold sentimental value. CNC sheets home decor can be tailored to meet your unique preference. This customization allows you to infuse your personality into your garden design, creating a space that truly reflects who you are. I hope you like my videos, so join us as we delve into a wide range of topics, including creating crafts. Get ready to unleash your inner artist with fun and innovative craft projects. From homemade decor to personalized gifts, we will show you how to add a touch of homemade charm to every aspects of your home. Home improvements transform your living space into a heaven of style and functionality with our expert home improvement tutorials. Learn practical tips for organization, renovation ideas, and budget friendly hacks to spruce up your home. And gardening tips. Discover the joys of gardening as we explore topics ranging from urban gardening to landscaping inspiration. Whether you have a green thumb or just starting out, we will help you cultivate a beautiful outdoor oasis. Join us in the kitchen as we decorate your kitchen. Try ideas from upcycling old items to repurposing everyday materials. We will inspire you with creating dye projects that are both eco-friendly and budget-conscious. Turn trash into treasure and unlock your imagination with our innovative ideas. Plus, so much more. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and become part of our creating community today. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey of creating and inspiration. Together, let's make every moment a masterpiece here at Creative Nest.